In this video, we shall discuss about the units of memory. The input data given by the user is first converted into binary numbers and then it is stored in the computer memory. For example, the input data given by the user can be a text data, or it could be an image, or it could be a video. So that input data is first converted into binary numbers. Binary numbers are nothing but it is the combination of zeros and ones, and then it is stored in the computer memory for further processing. Just like we have some units to measure the distance, length or weight like centimeter, meter, kilogram, we have units of memory to measure the size of data that is being stored or processed by the computer. So they are bits, nibbles, bytes, kilobytes and megabytes. So I'll explain in detail about these units of memory. If it is one value, the data is of one value, we call it as bit. So it could be either 0 or 1. If the data is of 4 bits, then we call it as nibble. So it is the group of 4 bits. It could be either zeros or ones. And if it is a group of 8 bits, then we call it as a byte. A byte is also grouped together. 2 nibbles grouped together is called as a byte. So example, this is an 8-bit data which is a combination of zeros and ones. So this is the binary number. So the data given by the user is first converted into binary numbers and then it is stored in the memory. So to measure the size of the data which is stored in the memory or processed by the computer, we use these units of memory. They are the bits, nibble and the bytes. And also, if the bytes are grouped together, they form larger units of memory. For example, if we group 1024 bytes together, we call it as 1 kilobyte. Similarly, if 1024 kilobytes are grouped together, then it is 1 megabyte. So the smallest unit of memory is bit. Okay, so that is about the units of memory.